Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful design ideas of how you can design your dresses, kurti, shirts, frock with the help of with the art of hand embroidery. Different color combinations have been used. Simple and easy, beginner friendly, basic embroidery stitches have been used, among them satin stitch, lazy daisy, Brazilian embroidery inspired, naughty stitches, and some sort of 3D embroidery pattern based easy to make hand embroidery design ideas based on simple hand embroidery stitches have been used to make the whole entire neckline, entire kurti collection designs. And the beauty of these designs is that you can use them for machine embroidery and liquid embroidery as well. Both of the patterns would go absolutely fine. So different color combinations on the simple plain fabric have been used, like light colors for cool and funky look. Some brighter shades have been used to give the wearer a cool and beautiful look. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because we try our best to share amazing and trendy videos with you on daily basis. And don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and beautiful ideas. Guys, simple, beautiful, and a unique touch of your Eid outfits could be given if you can just follow these color combination and exactly these embroidery patterns from my today's video collection of design ideas. You can design your kurti in a very beautiful or designer way. If you have plain fabric kurti that is in use and you want to give it a new look, then you can just embroider these patterns onto it as well. If you are not an embroidery artist, you can just show these design to a nearby hand embroidery artist and get your job done as well. Even you can use these hand embroidery patterns for making machine embroidery also, because machine embroidery is a trend that is in use from many period of time, and different categories and age group of girls, women like these ideas also. If you want to look trendy, cool, and elegant, just do follow my patterns, and we try our best to share latest, unique, and trendy ideas that are specially related to women fashion. And guys, do share your feedback with us, that how we are going and how we are doing and how well we are reaching up to your expectations of your choices and interest. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end, share my video massively with your friends and family. Do subscribe and keep subscribing from many other devices as well, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and inshallah with your love and support, we will continue to grow. And soon we will be celebrating our silver play button, and then we will opt for the golden play button as well. So keep helping, keep supporting, keep watching, and thank you so much once again. As Eid is near, do try these buttons for Eid outfit as well. So stay tuned for the new upcoming latest trendy ideas related to women fashion. Up till then, take care.